Uma kucheckwa ubuhlakani bama-species ahlukahlukene ahlakaniphile, ama-scientists athola ukuthi uma eqala ngokucheck-a ama-orangutans ile yimfene lezi engathi zinesikhumba esingathi si-brown. Lezo yimfene lezo zina 4 DNA series when it comes to ukuhlakanipha. Kwabe sekucheckwa ama-chimpanzee, kwatholakala ukuthi when it comes to i-intelligence nokuhlakanipha, ama-chimpanzee ana 5 DNA series, okusho ukuthi ahlakaniphile kunani kunama-orangutans. Ama-species lawa ahlakaniphile kakhulu in terms of ukuthi kucheckwa. So ama-chimpanzee ana 5 DNA series. Kwabe sekucheckwa abamhlophe nabo bonke laba abanye ama-Caucasians, laba abanye bonke laba abanye abanenwele ezimnyama kodwa abamhlophe ngebala, kwatholakala ukuthi bana 6 DNA series. Kwabe sekucheckwa ama-Africans, people from Africa, kwatholakala ukuthi ama-studies akhombisa ukuthi bana 9 DNA series when it comes to ubuhlakani. 9 DNA series. Abantu abamnyama bakwazi lokho. The question is, pho yindaba sinje? Yindaba sinje? Uyasibona nawe ukuthi sinjani? Yindaba sidlala izizwe. Yindaba siyingcelebane zezizwe. Yindaba sikhangeza kwizizwe. Sidla insalela zezizwe. Size sikhala ukuthi manje sithiwa ziyahamba izizwe, siyofa bhu, siyophansi, siyophela ngathi. Ngizocela ukuthi ubuke le video elandelayo, uyibukisise, uyiphinde futhi mothola ithuba, izochaza ukuthi yindaba sinje. Ngicela ukuthi sibuke le video le.
The way to gain control of the most intelligent, powerful species on the planet would be to completely divide them from the love within themselves. As soon as they are old enough to begin creating an understanding of who they are, force them into a system that teaches them that it is wrong to be yourself if yourself is different from what is accepted as normal. Confuse them about their own biological makeup so that they think that permanently altering their body is the answer to happiness. Require their daily attendance at an institution that makes them focus only on the information that is provided. Make them attend that institution from age 5 until an adult and repeatedly test them on the information so that it becomes their truth. Give them an explanation to everything so that they never have a chance to make their own assumptions of the world. Scold them and humiliate them if they suggest an opinion that opposes that of their authorities. Keep reminding them of how cruel their ancestors were to each other in the past and broadcast how cruel they are to each other in the present. Only show them tragedies on the news so that they live in fear and think the worst of one another. Convince them that their species used to be that of an incognizant wild animal. Make them think that their very existence is so incredibly random that they lack purpose and struggle to make sense of a creator. Tell them that their kind is as smart as they've ever been so that they don't question the integrity of the system that they're in. Provide them idols with artificial beauty and use them as examples of what it is to look perfect so that they are never content with their own appearance and can't help but to compare themselves amongst each other. Create addictive digital platforms that rank them by numbers so that they base their self-worth off of the amount of followers that they have and are never satisfied. Build a society around them in which those who have money benefit and those who don't fail. Make money their main focus, but make it so difficult to accumulate that they remain in a place of constant struggle, forced to dedicate the majority of their time to the system that made it this way. Tax them in every way possible, but tell them that it's for their own benefit so that they don't think twice about paying it. Take so much of their time and energy throughout the week, but give them 2 days to themselves so that they feel a sense of reward and don't fight back. Promote the consumption of poison in every social setting so that even on those 2 days, they remain disconnected from themselves and each other. Pump their food with excess sugars and addictive chemicals, but make it cheap, advertised, and easily accessible so that they never stop consuming. When their food makes them ill, prescribe them medication that only masks the symptoms so that they become dependent on it every day. Charge them so much money for healthcare so that they stay in a constant loop of consuming, medicating, and working. Cause chaos amongst them and blame it on a group of their own so that they form judgmental stereotypes. Turn them against each other in so many ways so that even if they were to connect on one, they would still be divided by another.
Siyamuzwa umlungu uyayicula le plan. Mhlambe one of the days ngiyoke ngibreak it down kahle le video yakho umlungu, ngi-explain kahle ngihlahlele. Uyayicula le plan eyaformulatewa ukuthi i-apply kuwena muntu, ngoba isitha sasisibonile ukuthi uhlakaniphile. 9 DNA series umuntu omnyama, and this explains why abantu abamnyama mabenza into bayenzisisa. Yabo umuntu omnyama menza umbhedo awenzisisa ukubulalana, njengoba thina sasingakwazi ukubulalana, njengoba sesikwazi ukubulalana siyakwenzisisa. Ukuba active sexually before isikhathi into ebesingayazi leyo, njengoba sesikwazi siyakwenzisisa. Ungena eziphuzweni ezidakwayo noma ezidakumizeni besingakwazi lokho, njengoba sesikwazi konke esikwenzayo siyakwenzisisa. We excel because ubuhlakani bethu buku-9 DNA series. Ukona nje ukuthi si-applya ngendlela e-wrong. We have been diverted ukuthi si-applye ngendlela e-wrong. Ngisho ukukholwa, yakukholwa njengathi. Mawukuthi sikholelwe endaweni e-wrong, sizokholisiswa kuleyo ndawo e-wrong, sibambelele khona ngoba into sayenzisisa. 9 DNA series, kodwa it has been diverted ukuthi lokho ku-apply endaweni e-wrong, siku-apply endaweni e-wrong. There is a system in place, and then you ask why sinje, why sikhothama kwezinye izizwe. Yindaba kufika belungu baphathi, kufika amabhunu aphathi, kufika ama-China nawo siyingcelebane, kufika ama-Pakistan siyingcelebane nakhona. Yindaba and sibaningi, millions and millions, kodwa ku-useless kuba abaningi bethu, ingoba ubuhlakani bethu has been diverted nge-system ezokwenza ukuthi ugcine uyibone ukuthi into yomuntu omnyama ayikho compared to ezinye izizwe, kanti ikhona into yakho as umuntu omnyama. Siyabonga.